Hi guys, can't really say too much because you can't really see me, but we are in Derwent, which is near Blackburn, and we are at Fear Factory Live. It is a brand new venue. It was in Manchester last year, and it's moved to this abandoned bread making factory in Lancashire, Blackburn, Lancashire. So we're going to go in a little while and experience. I think we've got two mazes, so we will let you know when we get out the other side. And good evening, I'm facing towards the light so you can actually see my face. Otherwise, if I turn around and face the venue, you can see the venue itself, which is partially lit up. You don't actually see me. So we've just come out of Fear Factory Live. Really enjoyed that. It was one of the surprise events from last year. They're in a brand new venue. This is the it's an old bread factory. It's been here since about 1908. Some of the old machinery is still in there from when it was a bread factory. So, of course, one of their stories, you may remember last year we said they were quite theatrical. So, so one of their stories is that you are going on a tour at the bread factory. Without giving too much away, it ended up in parts being a hooded maze, but it was really clever. Some of the things they actually did were better than a lot of other hooded mazes, so we really enjoyed that. Then we have Hush.net, which was downstairs, which was... Again, I've got to be very careful what I say, because if you're going to come out, there are a couple of surprises in there. They did get us. Yeah, I've got to be careful what I say, but something happened and we actually thought this wasn't part of the show. There was like a maze area where the walls were moving, so they could obviously move us around in different places. Definitely a trick ending, some scares and whatever. Obviously, in a big building like this, you're going to get some nosebleed. There was some nosebleed. You could tell there was a chainsaw coming. I don't really know how you're going to fix that. But, one of the things that really stood out, and I think we said this last year, was the actual acting talent. This is not just people just standing in the corner going, boo. These are actors. These are proper actors playing a character, staying in character throughout, and having some fun with it. So, yeah, we've really enjoyed that. So we just want to thank Dan and everyone from Fear Factory Live. There have been some problems tonight. We're not going to gloss over the fact there were some early problems. Basically, the fire department came along, gave them an emergency inspection, and have made some really totally unreasonable demands. Now, bear in mind, we see a lot of scare attractions. We visited lots and lots of places around, and some of the restrictions that were put on them are just stupid, but obviously they've answered them all, but it did mean they were a little bit late opening. But the crowd here were really responsive. There's a good bar. You'd have seen the bar area afterwards. They were certainly serving some very strong cocktails there, which were great. So all in, it's open for another couple of days, and then it reopens again next weekend. They've still got a bit of work to do. You know, the bar area is unfinished, but the basic story and concept and everything is there. The main effects are there. I think the team are actually beating themselves up a bit about going, oh well, this isn't working, this wasn't working. Most people didn't realise there are lots of people here screaming, lots of people having fun. So yeah, if you're in the Blackburn area, you know, it's close to other scare attractions. You know, you could come down, finish a night here, because with the bar and the disco and everything, there's a lot going on. So with that, we're going to sign off. We're going to say thank you for having us down, and we will see you at the next event.